She galvanized me, steady like steel, back on my feet, living for the thrill again, loving for another day. I tried to fight alone, 'cause sometimes we just don't know that we can do anything together if we just try. And as long as we have our backs, whenever our foes can buy, this time we will win. This time we'll have to join forces. This time
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you all what we have in a day. So right now I'm making this grilled cheese sandwich. Okay, we just have some bread. You can use wheat bread, but I'm using a sweet bread for this. So I'm just going to be adding some ketchup on top of the bread. This is a pretty simple breakfast, okay, that you can make for your family, you can make for your loved ones. This is so amazing. This tastes so amazing, guys. Like I'm saying, so amazing. So after this, I'm just going to be spraying all this bread all over. Okay, then after this section, we'll move to the next one, which is to add our cheese and ham. So right here, I'm sliding the cheese. I'm using mozzarella cheese for this recipe. So after slicing the mozzarella cheese in all the cubes I need, we'll arrange it on the bread. So please keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Jessica Chonovek. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Nigeria, Abuja. I'm a mom of one. I'm married to a Slovak. If you're interested in my lifestyle and all, please do well to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So right here I'm using ham. Okay, so this is the ham I'm going to be using for this recipe. I'll just put the ham on the bread, then I will start putting everything as we go. So please enjoy the recipe.
this time we'll have to join forces. Castles and dragons, the battle begins tonight. Are you with me? This is our kingdom, and we won't run tonight. We are a team. Castles and dragons, the battle begins tonight. Are you with me? This is our kingdom, and we won't run tonight. We are a team. We can do anything together if we just try. And as long as we have our backs, whenever our foes come by, this time we will win. This time we'll have to join forces. This time we will win. This time we'll have to join forces.
So, guys, at this point, I've done with the sandwich. This is what Hobby's own looks like. Hobby does not want to grill his, but me, I'm gonna grill mine because there's nothing like a grill sandwich. So here, I only place butter in the pan. Then I will grill both sides till it's golden brown. And this is what we have. So I'm just gonna slice this, and I'll show you guys the finished look. So please keep on watching. So guys, for lunch, I'm making this potato casserole. Yeah, so right now I'm just peeling the potato. Then after peeling the potato, we'll slice and once to the next step. The sauce, I've already done the sauce off camera, so I won't be taking you guys along in making the sauce. Okay, guys. So here I'm just bringing out my chopping board for us to chop the potato in slices. You have to be precise with the slices of potato you are slicing so that you don't have gallops when you are making the potato casserole. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new. Turn on the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. Alright guys, so please keep on enjoying the rest of the
Feelings. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me.
So guys, after adding the oil in my pan, so I'm going to marinate the potato by adding salt, paprika, and I will mix all those together. I did wash my hand. I'll mix everything together. Then I will start plating the potato in our pan. Okay, I hope it makes sense. So please keep on watching to see how I plate the potato in the pan. Okay, so
Dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh.
so guys, after I'm done arranging the potato in layers, then I'll add our sauce. This is a ragu sauce, okay? So I'll just add our ragu sauce all over the potato. Then I'll repeat the same step, add our cheese, and I'll repeat the same step as I did in the beginning.
Magic. No, I'm never letting go. No. want you deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh, you take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher.
So guys, after I'm done with the potato step, then I'll add the sauce again. Then we'll pop this in the oven for to bake for 45 minutes, 50 to 45 minutes.
You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Yeah, you take me higher, baby. Live a little, that is what they said when you turned around and left for good. But the taste is bitter, lonely in my bed, keep thinking about what we once had. It's true, but it's hard to get over such a beautiful lie. When I still want you closer, I am longing for closure, and I'm wondering why. No, no matter what I do, I keep on falling for you. I keep on falling for you. I keep on. I keep on. I keep on.
So guys, it's ready. Like this tastes so absolutely delicious. Like let me cut for you all and show you guys a close up look of this delicious yumilicious food. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Oh my god. You know they say a way through a man's heart is through his stomach, and they also say good food equals good life. So kindly enjoy. Yeah, if you watched this extent, thank you so much for watching, and please keep on watching to see what we have for dinner. Okay guys. So guys, for the salad we're having lettuce, onions, cucumber, carrot, and sweet corn. So, and for the dressing is just olive oil and salt with a little bit of lemon juice. Then the side we're having salmon fish for this side. Okay, yeah. So we ate healthy at night. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. So this is the finished look. And I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.